Welcome to the 2023 GMC Yukon Denali in white frost. This SUV is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Yukon, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, button-activated driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, integrated trailer braking, electronic parking brake, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 10.2-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, button-activated shifter, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Yukon, starting off with the 22-inch wheels paired up with Bridgestone Alenza tires. Moving on, we have chrome door handles with paint-matched accents, blacked out Denali badging on the doors, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals, Duramax plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked out GMC badge in the center of the grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim all around. Chrome trim along the bottom of the doors. Automatic step assist come once the doors are open and retract once the doors are closed. Roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, you can find blacked out Yukon, Denali, and GMC badging here on the hatch. Heading back inside the Yukon, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your third row. USB-C charging ports are on either side of the vehicle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV. In the second row, we have twin 12.6-inch headrest mounted screens. In the center console, 2 cup holders, the third zone of your tri-zone climate control, 2 more USB-C charging ports, 2 HDMI ports, and a power outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 GMC Yukon Denali. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.